Okay, press control power for the controller starting. Okay. So the first warning is disappear, so we can check the second is let us to go back to the home reference for z-axis. So we press home and press z-axis and try here. Coordinated we go to 0 places for the machine coordinate. Okay, now we make a production from the G-code program. I already created the program in the computer and copied to the USB memory. Now I will transfer the G-code program from the USB memory to the controller. Okay, first we will press the F2 button to select the program function. Here you can select the file manager. Okay. So here I already have the test 1 and test 2. But we still show how to transfer the program from the USB, okay? Okay, first we insert the USB memory to here. Okay. And we can try the file transfer, file import. And here is the files from USB memory. We can select the test 1 and test 2. Select, press F2 for the select function. Okay, first we use this one, the up and down arrow button to select files. Okay, the first one, second one. Okay, and then we try the copy button. Okay, to override, yes, enter. Yeah. Okay, so we can override the program from the memory to the controller. Okay, now the files is okay. And go back, and we select the test 2. Okay, press enter. Go back to the program in the file manager. Select test 2, test 1, test 2, press enter. Okay, here is the program details for the G-code. Okay, we will do the production for this program. We just press F1, SQ. This is a production window. Now we will load the workpiece. For our machine, we have the full switch is control the loading stop. This is the loading fans. Okay, for the workpiece is controlled by the cylinder. When we try the full switch, the stop will go down, and we can load the workpiece. Another function is it will control the axis. We will let the axis go back to 0 places for the production. Okay, now we will load the workpiece. Okay, you can check here. Okay. Okay, now we can start sender for the production. Firstly, we start the sender by this button. Okay, we try the auto production button and try second start. We will do the production automatically. our machine doesn't connect with the dust collector, the dust is too much. Another one. So we got to solve the machine and solve the cylinder. Okay, this is the result.